Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create an iPhone mockup using Canva. This is actually super simple. I'm just going to use the Instagram story size, which is 9 by 16, and then I'm just going to choose the blank template. Then I'm just going to put this down, and then there's this plus button, and then you are going to find I'm just going to find background, or any background you'd like. Just search for one that you like. I'm just going to use this one, I think. And I'm just going to rotate it and resize it. Oops. Just going to resize that. Then I'm going to again press that plus button. Go back to elements, and you are going to find for frame. So search frame. And scroll down until you find the iPhone one right here. And then I'm just going to resize it a bit. I'm going to put it in the middle. And then I am going to press that plus button again. And go to uploads. Go to videos. I've already uploaded it, and if you haven't uploaded it, just go and press upload media, but I have uploaded mine. I'm going to sort of select it and drag it until it fits the phone. And that's it. Let's play it and see how it looks. And that's basically it. You can also do this with a picture, but I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!